Yeah. We're sitting inside a 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL500 AMG package, by the way, which is an absolute beauty. I mean, this car is sexy. So stay with us on today's video as I take you on a tour of an SL500. Did I say SL550 earlier? I was wrong. SL500. Ho, ho, ho. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Well, hello everybody. We're sitting inside a beautiful 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL500. And yeah, this is a nice ride right here. This is not your everyday car. This is the car that I've been shown the video a couple times now in the Nellyville music video. That's right, Nellyville, if you remember the rapper Nelly. Yeah, so anyways, this one looks pretty close to the one in the video, but this one's even better. It's got the AMG package on it. So anyways, I gotta take some pictures of it real quick, of the interior. Then I will be back to show you a little bit more. But, oh yeah, it's one of those first cars out there. You know, one of the first, I'm sure there was others, but one of the first generations of cars with hardtop convertibles, baby. Let's go ahead and click this button back and watch this puppy come alive, because this car here really comes alive when that top right there starts moving. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Sweet. Anyways, yeah. Ooh, man, this is gonna be hot. Y'all ready to see the outside? Stay with us. So I was told when it's time to take pictures of it, of the inside, to go ahead and drop the top and lower those windows down, because this is when this gray really pops. Oh yeah. So anyways, this car's got around 57,526 on the mileage. No crazy lights on or anything at all, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is some creme de la creme here, cream of the crop. If you're a Mercedes coupe fan, right? Are you ready? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at that. Ooh wee. Man, that's good looking. I really like the wheels on it. Check those out. Yeah. Look like they're spinning while sitting still. The whole car is absolutely sexy. Is it not? It is. You know it. You know it, baby. Look at it. Anyways, this isn't your regular SL500 review. But I thought, why not just start filming and show you this beautiful car. I mean, it really doesn't matter. You could be doing a review on the beach, on a little side street like I'm doing it, or in your front yard, or at the car lot. It really doesn't matter too much where you film this car at. It looks good anywhere. That's what's so awesome about it, right? It's just sexy. Anyways, all right, I'll be back. I gotta do some pictures of the inside. But if anybody's looking for an SL500 like this, you just got your opportunity. Oh yeah, I'm back for a minute. Let you see this. I mean, just look at this. I was told to not really embellish too much information about this car. Just show it to the people, because the people, they already know all about it, right? At the end of the day, it's a Mercedes-Benz SL500. So I shouldn't have to tell you what liter or what size motor is under the hood of this car, or even how much horsepower it has, or torque, or any of that, because most of y'all watching already know everything that's needed to be known about this car. So if you know it all, I want you to put it down in the comments section. I want you to let me know what you know about the SL500. What size engine does it have? Tell me. how much fuel economy does it get? Does it get 30 on the highway, 18 in the city? What does it do? What should it sell for? What kind of tires are the best tires for an SL500? This one's got the General G-Max tires. Ooh, those sound good, don't they? The General G-Max. 255/40 ZR18s to be exact, with those cross-drilled rotors back there. I do like the wheels though. I love how the whole car looks. It's just got a look about it that says, I want to drive, I want to ride, I want to hit the streets. The other thing is anybody driving it, everybody's going to want to know who you are behind the wheel of that SL500. Man, it's good. Look at it. How much is it? That's the next question you're probably going to want to know. So let me go ahead and help you with that here in just a moment. All right, everybody, I had to shut that hood down for a minute. Let's go ahead and hop in. We'll take her on back down to the store. So to go ahead and tell you how much an 05 SL500 with 57,000 miles is selling for, I'm going to tell you. You know, it actually might not sound like as much as you might think for a car that's incredible like this, beauty like this, and there's just, let's just put it out there, I mean, there's just not that many of them even available to purchase, right? But a car like this right now in July, the end of July 2021, is selling for $18,990. $18,990 to be exact. So if you watch this video and something kind of stirred up inside of you, please let me know if this is something you want to think about purchasing. It probably won't be available for very long because, you know, something special like this just doesn't always seem to last for very long. Someone will find it online, on our website or on one of those websites, and they're gonna come run for it quick. I mean, I'm looking at a guy straight ahead right now. I mean, he just almost broke his neck looking back at this car coming down the street. And that's what you're gonna be able to provide for people when you own a car like this. It's a neck breaker. It's an eye candy. It's everything you want it to be. Look at that boy. Look at that. Is that not sexy? Yeah, you're gonna check out yourself when going by, riding by the mall, looking in the windows at yourself driving a car like this. You're gonna say, I made it in this life. If that's the case, come see me. I'd love to help you get it. Oh, and I don't want to forget to tell you, like, comment, and you got it, subscribe.